Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini-Poly. Today, we're creating some really cool patterns for a flower pot using just two powerful modifiers in Blender, Subdivision and Decimate. These tricks are super easy and can give your models a unique, stylized look. So let's jump right in and start designing. We will try to get the pattern that you can see in the left pot. First, add Subdivision Modifier. After Subdivision Modifier, add the Decimate Modifier. Choose the Unsubdivide option in the Decimate Modifier and give the value to 1. And now you can play with different values in both the modifier to achieve your desired look. And that's it. With just Subdivision and Decimate modifiers, we created an awesome pattern for our flower pot. Now you can experiment with different settings to get even cooler results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stylized Blender tutorials. See you in the next one. Keep creating!